Consider the equation y equals 3x minus 6. We're asked what are the coordinates of the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is a point at which a line or a curve crosses the y-axis. In the section on horizontal and vertical lines, we noticed that every point on the y-axis had an x-coordinate which was 0. Indeed, the equation of the y-axis is x is 0. So we can find the y-intercept by substituting x equals 0 into here, and that just gives us that y is negative 6. So the y-intercept is 0, negative 6. You can read that directly from the equation. Y equals 3x minus 6. The constant term is negative 6, and that is the y-intercept. Again, this is important going forward. What are the coordinates of the x-intercept? The x-intercept is a point at which a line or a curve crosses the x-axis. All points on the x-axis have a y-coordinate which is 0. So to find the x-intercept, we substitute y equals 0. We then have 3x minus 6 being equal to 0 because we replace the y with a 0. That means 3x equals 6. Divide both sides by 3 and x is equal to 2. So that's going to be 2, 0. So we're now asked to plot the graph of y equals 3x minus 6 using the x and y intercepts. So the y-intercept was at 0, negative 6, which is just down here, and the x-intercept at 2, 0. So we have 2 points, and using those 2 points, we can draw a straight line. And so we'll draw that straight line like so. And when we draw it, we should put arrows on either end to show that it extends beyond our graph. And we should always label it. So the equation was y equals 3x minus 6.